I know who does this.
I know what you mean.
I know what I mean. I know who does all this. What is that?
Disappeared.
Whoa!
What?
That's awesome! Tiny zone.
You're doing that one by one control, you know that? They hook all the wires up.
I love how to do that.
Oh, nice.
Wait, what's next?
2020. Nope. Win the game!
Third game.
Oh, God. Good.
They still get 2025.
What's next? Oh!
Whoa, okay.
How are they doing that?
I don't know how to do that. Oh! Wait, it's snowman.
Okay, that's nice.
If that's a YouTuber, jump behind it.
I know who you mean.
We gotta try to
Yeah, like light drone.
Sword. What? It's a torch. Wait, no, that was a torch.
That's cool!
That was a torch.
It's torn.
That was a torch.
This is better than fireworks. Oh, fireworks and drones. Oh, this is too cool. What's next? It looks like something. A butterfly. No, wait, it's a skier. I know.
Here, yeah. I'll find
Wait.
Steve. Here.
That's right here. And the flight. Oh, What's up?
Where are my snowboarders at? Let me hear you.
Nope. Why? Mine are warm.
The bad part is how they put the land. Oh! You know what fun. Like us tomorrow.
Yeah,
We are not going to get sent home the first day.
no.
First day is bad.
Oh, that's too cute.
Give it up for the polar bear, huh? How many need a polar plunge? That's awesome.
Oh, what is that?
Wait,
A leaf.
you're sure we didn't put the football up there?
That would be awesome.
Oh yeah! There's Super Bowl up there. Maybe it is.
Wait, what is that? Oh,
Super Bowl kids.
oh wait.
Epic
Epic.
promise.
Hey, it's gonna be an epic day.
You have promised.
We're not. We've been having team meetings and not losing tomorrow.
Give it up for Epic Resort. Come on.
You did that medal with us. Do not keep that medal on. We keep that medal on.
Families will be representing the United States in the World Games.
Just a few weeks away, folks. A few weeks away.
Oh, what's next?
The Super Bowl. Yeah, right. There's a Super Bowl up there. Who's telling us to do all of this? Nobody's doing nothing.
Our great logo.
Special Olympics
Special Olympics
holding hands
logo.
together in a circle.
Because we have to, yeah, this ski bus is crazy. We don't know what hills are yet. There's all kind of hills. There's all,
Wow. And after that amazing show, incredible.